Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, so this video I'm gonna be talking about habits I've learned from Filipinos part 2. I already made part 1. If you want to watch that, I'm gonna drop the link below in the description. You can watch that. Okay, so guys, let's get into it. So the first thing I'm gonna be talking about is number 1, Filipino music. Now I love Filipino music. I love to listen to Filipino music, and when my friends hear me listening to Filipino music, they're so surprised. Okay, they're so shocked. And maybe I'm calling one of my friends back in my country. I'm calling my family, and there's a Filipino music in the background. They're like, "What music is that?" Are you starting to play their music now? It's really, really nice. Okay, I love Filipino music, and one of my favorites is Marikit. Marikita ilaiko. That music was once famous on TikTok though. I also love though I'm not so good. Like I don't even know what this music means. I just love the vibe. I love the beat, okay? I love Filipino music. And lots more actually. I love lots more, but I can't remember right now because I can't be stating everything. Maybe I'm gonna drop the music below in the video description. If you want to see some of my most favorite Filipino music, I'm gonna drop the names so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, let's go. Number 2 of one of the habits I've learned from the Filipino. Number 2 on the list is avoiding the sun. You see, here in Philippines, Filipinos love to avoid the sun. Even when they ride motorcycles, they have a long sleeve they wear, and they have a glove, long sleeve and glove. So also they have some for the face. So when they ride motorcycles, some of them like the sun doesn't touch the skin at all. And when people walk in the sun, they have umbrellas. Mostly girls, they have umbrellas. Like you know, they try to avoid the sun as much as possible. I don't know. Now I live in the Philippines and I'm just literally doing same thing. Back in my country, the most people who avoid sun are pregnant women. They avoid that, so they don't want not pregnant like a nursing mom who already have the child, not actually pregnant. Like so they hold the umbrella to not make the sun to go on the kid. Okay, so that's mostly common. But like seeing many people going around with umbrellas in the sun, not so common, okay? But I got used to that in the Philippines, and now I have a lot of long sleeve, a lot of them. So when I go out in the sun, I wear it. Even when I drive the car and the sun is coming from the window, I have some gloves like they put on. They're like to this extent. I didn't let the sun beat me anymore. I learned that from Filipinos. Let's go. So number 3 on my list is eating sweet things, okay? In Philippines, there's a lot of sugary, like there's a lot of sugar things full of sugar, from ice cream, candies, milk tea, shake. There's just so much. Like compared to where I come from, okay, there's so much sugar in the Philippines. I love it because back in Nigeria, I love so much sugar that my parents always complain. They make me to avoid sugar, but little do they know I'm going to the Philippines where there's a lot of sugar, and I take milk tea, I take shake now, I take Filipino candy, both the ones, those the proper ones and also the locally made ones. No, there's ice cream, both the local made ice cream and the normal ones you see in 7-Eleven or other stores. But they do have some local ice cream they push around. It's more cheaper, but the flavor is also very different. It's not something you can easily experience from ice creams you bought in the store. So I just love it. Okay, I'm used to that now. So the next thing I'm gonna be saying is what I'm used to is going to the mall for nothing. Okay, out of Filipinos, not every Filipinos who goes to the mall go there to buy something. Some people just go there to take pictures. Some just go there because they're bored. And I actually know this because I had to ask some of my classmates, and they told me, not just my classmates, I've also uh, had that from like other Filipinos also. So I know what's up about that. Like not everybody in the Philippines goes to the mall, goes there to actually buy something. Also me and my friends, like when we go to the mall now, it's not compulsory we are going there to buy something, okay? But we go based on maybe we're gonna buy something, maybe we're gonna see what we like, let's see what's going on, let's see what's new. So we'll go to the mall, if we see anything to buy, we buy it, and if we don't see nothing to buy, just like we go to the mall just for fun because we're bored, we don't know where else to go. And we come back. I'm used to that. In my country, it's like if you don't have a deal in the mall, you're not going to the mall. But now in Philippines, I do that. You know what? I love that. And not just the mall. There are different stores in the Philippines, like hardware stores. And if you know me in person, I'm a very kind of hardware techie person, like a very techie guy. So I go into those hardware stores to look at what's new, what's new, what's this for, what's this for. And if I see something useful, something I like, I'm gonna get it. So I'm just used to doing that now. I just go sometimes to look, but I didn't buy anything. But next time I'm gonna need something, my mind immediately remembers where I saw that, how much it cost, and where to get that. So it's very, very nice. I love that, okay? I really love that. So the next thing I'm gonna be going to is what I learned about Filipino habit that I actually learned here in the Philippines is going to the beach, okay? A lot of Filipinos, you can literally go to their profile, and a lot of Filipinos have been to the beach. A lot of Filipinos. I know Filipinos is literally in the middle of the ocean, as 7,000 islands. So it's a normal thing. If you're born here, you probably have been to the beach once, twice, or maybe you even live by the beach. I don't know. But what I know is that now I go to the beach. I love the beach than I ever imagined I'm gonna love the beach. Like, seriously, right now I feel like I should be in a resort right now. But it's alright. You know what? I go to the beach now. I love the beach, and it's just a Filipino thing now. It's in me. Like literally, you go on my Instagram, you're gonna see some pictures I take by the beach. Also, you go on Facebook, I have pictures I take by the beach, and I often go to the beach. So, yeah, I love to go to the beach now. So the next thing I'm gonna be talking about is greeting strangers. Okay, you see here in Philippines, Filipinos always greet me even though they don't know me. They've never seen me before. And they just say, hey, my friend. Sometimes they say hi, they say hello. You know what? That was in the first video I made. But now the habit I'm used to, okay, is me now seeing strangers, okay? Maybe I see a Filipino looking at me so much. And what I do next is I just give thumbs up and they give me thumbs up back. I look see someone looking at me so much. I just say hi and they say hi, they just laugh. I'm just used to it. Now I do it. I call strangers my friend. I do like this to someone I don't see before. It's just a Filipino thing. Now it's in me. And it's very nice though. So those are the things I've noticed myself. I actually grab on Philippines. This is part 2. And if you want to see part 3, if you like this video and you want to see part 3, let me know below in the comment section, okay? Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up the video because cool videos like this will be coming on the channel. And one more last thing I'm going to be talking about before I end the video is riding motorcycles, okay? In my country, motorcycles are seen as for poor people. So when you're okay, no, you don't want to go near motorcycles. But in Philippines, motorcycles doesn't really mean you're poor. There are people with SUVs, with even 2 cars. Yup, they have motorcycles in the Philippines. And you know what? They ride. And they ride with passion, with smile. The way they take pictures, they do modifications. It's really nice. And now, because I come to Philippines, I get to like motorcycle also. Like seriously, now I like motorcycle. That I actually bought a motorcycle. But I already sold because my parent doesn't like the idea. They're scared like, oh, you're gonna fall. It's so dangerous. So I had to sell the motorcycle because Filipinos made me to love motorcycle. Even when they sit down and ride the motorcycle, maybe their girlfriend or their fiance always holding them like this. Holy shit! Oh my god, it's so romantic. It's really, really romantic. It's one of the best things I love about Filipinos. Sometimes when I see Filipinos romance, like maybe on a motorcycle or something, the way they sit down, oh, Filipinos, I don't expect you to understand what I'm saying, okay? But if you come from other country where this are not something common, and you come to the Philippines, you probably know what I'm talking, okay? It makes me, when I see Filipinos doing this, it just makes me so calm. I just stay silent. It makes me so happy, okay? It's kind of happiness. It's not like smiling, laughing type of, it just makes me feel good from inside, like the world is a good place. It's a good time to be alive, I really love that about the Philippines. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Make sure you thumbs up the video. Let me know if you have any video idea you want me to make. Now I love motorcycles. That's because I learned that from Filipinos. And Yeah, I wish to ride a big bike though. I really wish to ride, not a big one with a big engine, maybe 4 cylinders. Vroom, vroom. Yeah, it's my favorite. That's my next target. I'm looking for one though. I want to ride. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one.